In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Wix website after publishing. Whether you're looking to tweak some content or overhaul your design, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can make those necessary changes quickly and easily. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Once you're in, navigate to your site's dashboard. This area functions as the command center for your entire website, where you can manage various aspects, ranging from viewing site analytics to handling visitor interactions. Familiarizing yourself with the dashboard can provide a broader context for your editing tasks and help streamline future updates. After you're on your dashboard, look for the Design Site or a similar button that directs you to the Wix editor. Clicking on this will launch the editor, the heart of your website's creativity and customization. Here, you can modify everything, from text and images to layouts and colors. Now that you've reached the Wix editor, take a moment to explore its functionality. You can edit existing content by clicking on the text or images directly. This ability allows for immediate modifications, providing a what you see is what you get editing experience. For those new to the editor, hovering over different elements and observing the options give you a deeper understanding of the versatile design tools at your disposal. While in the editor, feel free to delve into customizing. Perhaps you're looking to update text to reflect new information, or maybe you're switching out an image to keep your visuals fresh and engaging. The editor's design flexibility gives you the freedom to make these changes effortlessly. You can also explore the features that allow you to adjust layouts or experiment with new styles to better align with your current branding or aesthetic goals. Once your customization efforts are complete, it's crucial to preview your changes. Click on Update, followed by Preview. This action allows you to review how your modifications appear in real time, ensuring everything looks the way you envisioned. It's an invaluable step that helps catch any unintended errors or design issues before going live. Finally, when you're satisfied with your edits and confident everything is in place, click Publish. With just these simple steps, your updated website is live for the world to see. This streamlined process not only refreshes your site's content and design, but also demonstrates how dynamic and adaptable your online presence can be. In summary, editing a published Wix website is straightforward, thanks to the robust tools provided by the Wix editor. This process empowers you to continually enhance and refine your site, keeping it aligned with your evolving needs and your audience's expectations. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!